Okay, so Credit Score Pro AI. How does it stand out from other credit repair tools?
Yeah, I mean, that's a great question. So I developed Credit Score Pro AI with my partner, Alicia Ault, and this is a full credit management suite. So we do use it at Incite Strategies for a portion of our process with clients. And it's amazing because it's a full machine learning AI tool. It analyzes the credit report. It finds errors, compliance issues on the back end of the credit file. So that's the raw data, the part of the credit file you don't. So you get to see a credit report, you don't see the raw data. That's like the code. So because it's looking at the code, it's able to find issues that create disputes you would never be able to find with your human eye looking at a credit report. And by doing that, there's so much more opportunity to remove negative information from a credit report. But beyond that, it also analyzes the report to determine where you're not impacting the credit score algorithm, so you have a missed opportunity for points. And then how do you get even more points out of the good accounts you already have on your credit report? And then you combine that with ongoing credit monitoring, plus the full financial literacy platform from Creditworthy, which we developed a few years ago, and you get credit education along with credit management. So whether you're at a 400 or you're at an 800, you can utilize this tool to get to the best credit score possible or keep and maintain that best credit score possible. And the best thing, it's all goal-based too. So if you want to buy a house, you use that as your goal, and then it gives you a plan or a map to get there.